can either cut off the sheet when it's on the floor with your router, or just router off after you install it. If you decide so, you just have to be careful with the wires and stuff. This project was done by 2 people in about 8 hours. Like in every single project, we're going to start covering all the floors and every surface that needs to be covered. There are many ways to make a wall or a ceiling soundproof. For this project, we install 2 layers of sheetrock and we apply a special kind of soundproofing glue in between the layers. We need to take special care of covering really good all the floors because this is gonna get really dusty. Oh, hey handsome. Having to take on and off your bags and belt can be really annoying. I recommend you to get a nice set of these and you won't regret it. We start measuring the first piece, and this piece we're gonna cut it in a 24-inch wide because with the double layer we don't want the sheets to be aligned. To create a cross pattern, be overlap, and the difference between the seams, it has to be 24 inches or so. Oh my god, this is too heavy. It's getting hot in here. One of the tricky parts is getting all those measures from the angle parts of the ceiling. Also for this project we had to remove the housing of the lights or bulbs, I don't know how you want to call it. We had to remove them before start putting the sheetrock. 5/8 of an inch sheets are really heavy. I recommend you to do this with a partner. Usually one guy measure and take the numbers and the other guy goes and cut the sheetrock. Remember, we had to remove the housing of the lights or the case, I don't know how you want to call it, but in this project we had to do that. In some other projects you might have to remove some air ventilation cases or anything that is in your way. Also check for sticking out screws or nails. You can either cut off the sheet when it's on the floor with your router or just router off after you install it. If you decide so, you just have to be careful with the wires and stuff. Make sure you have a tall enough bench so you don't struggle when you're installing the ceiling. The correct way of holding the sheetrock over your head is holding it with your arm fully extended, and this is to prevent any muscle tears or to hurting yourself. This will be the last piece of the first layer of this soundproof ceiling project. Really important tools for this job are the router, so we can cut through our drywall, and our screw gun machine that is not the same than a drill or an impact gun. Totally different tool. I like Drywall brand, so I can use all my batteries with multiple tools, but I guess any brand you like is okay. This soundproof system uses 2 layers of sheetrock and they are glued together with a special kind of caulking. The instructions of this product are to apply in random patterns on the backside of your second layer of sheetrock. Thank God, this is the last piece of the project. Almost there. Y voila! This is how it looked before and after. Thanks guys for watching the video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any comment, please let me know and see you the next time. Ciao!